Spotify has added a new option to their AI DJ feature, allowing users to make specific requests. Want to learn how it works? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to send requests to Spotify's DJ. Now let's get started. Note that the DJ feature is currently only available to Spotify Premium subscribers, so you'll need a membership to get access to this feature. To send a request to the Spotify DJ, open the Spotify app and search DJ. Tap DJ at the top. Tap the DJ button in the bottom right corner to get the option to guide your DJ. Then type in what you want to hear. You can request a certain artist, genre, vibe, etc., and let the DJ know what you're in the mood for. Then tap the send button. The DJ will then begin playing music based on what you've requested. If you aren't sure what to ask for, you can just tap switch it up or use one of the pre-written prompts along the bottom. The DJ will then switch up your playlist based on your request. You can tap the DJ button again at any time to make another request. This is a huge step up from the original DJ feature that only allowed us the switch it up option. That's all it takes to send requests to the Spotify DJ. Want to exclude certain songs from your Spotify taste profile? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.